headphone users, beware, because this thing is mad loud. This hands down has to be the hardest downpipes I've ever had to take off. This one also has an imaginary catalytic converter, trust me. It's been a long journey until we can finally get to this point.
Yeah, so now I just kind of need new turbos and stuff.
I'm sorry about being able to rev your car all the way to red line at your house. Your car's not loud enough. You shouldn't be able to do that.
When I get in, I take a shower, read a book, and feel empowered.
In case you somehow missed the title and thumbnail we're doing, VRSF Catless Downpipes. You know, I'm gonna be honest, this car sounds like absolute, well, here's how it sounds before. Absolute trash. Hallelujah. I guess ready? Bruh. I forgot downpipes are illegal now. I introduced to you the 3-inch Catless downpipes that will make the car behind me sound pretty awesome. And obviously, massive, huge thank you to VRSF. They are the top dogs when it comes to BMW, the OGs. And the fact that I'm able to work with them on so many more parts that you're gonna see in the future, it's incredible. So I will obviously, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description to these downpipes. Quality, mint.
They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips. And thank God.
I don't know if the running around started already, but first AutoZone stop. You gotta get a 22mm wrench for the O2 sensor. And since we're in AutoZone, am I the only one that's highly terrified to get their information stolen whenever I log into the public Wi-Fi? I need to find a car part, I don't have signal, I need to connect to the Wi-Fi, but then I'm scared someone's gonna steal my information, log into my phone, and hack everything. But today, that's changing. Let's talk about today's sponsor, Surfshark VPN. Downloading using Surfshark VPN is gonna leave us worry-free so we can browse the internet at AutoZone, Walmart, whenever, and feel safe while doing so. How it works is it has a military-grade encryption that will keep your personal data on your phone safe whenever you're in public Wi-Fi and things like that. And it's extremely simple to use. Check this out. So, see right there, with the click of a button, you click quick connect. Look at that. I'm already connected to VPN. I'm safely browsing the internet. Everything is encrypted. No one knows who I am. No one knows where I'm at. No one can steal my information. And one awesome thing about Surfshark, you can use one account on unlimited devices, which is incredible. And the awesome thing is, if you go for the 24-month plan, you will get an extra 3 months as well as 83% off, which is incredible. You also do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Click the QR code or the link in the description. Download Surfshark because this is what I'm using now. So a little bit about these downpipes for you weirdos like knowing every single detail. They are cast aluminum. I'm just kidding. They're cast stainless steel. They go from a 3-inch to a 2.5-inch flange that connects to your exhaust. And they add 20 to 30 horsepower, and same as with the torque. So let's go. Since the downpipes and the turbos are on the passenger side of the car, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and take this wheel off. So we just have more room when working on the car. Because I have a feeling that this ain't gonna be the easiest thing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Or maybe it is, I don't know. If y'all haven't done the stud conversion, you're missing out on life. But the first thing you wanna do, no questions asked, go ahead, buy some PB Blaster and blast the crap out of these bolts. As you can see, I just finished doing that. We're first gonna have to disconnect the downpipes from down here. It is 12mm bolts that go hooked up to the exhaust. Right up there you can see both O2 sensors. One of the 13mm V-band clamps we gotta take off to be able to disconnect the downpipe. And then the other one's like way back there behind that O2 sensor, the one on the left. I know it sounds pretty easy, but we gotta do a few things before we can even get there.
Hi.
How confident are you that I can take these things off and put the new ones on?
10 out of 10.
You think I can do it?
Yeah.
What if I don't?
You have to.
Okay, bye. Now we gotta do it.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it.
Okay, I'm listening to a podcast right now from Travis Walton. It's a Joe Rogan podcast. He was abducted by aliens. Do you guys think aliens are real? What do you think about that? Seems pretty real, I don't know. Like legit, if they give me a GTR, I'll be down to go with them.
Underdogs and we walk in the building, we getting money, yeah, they think that we dealing, they talking hot, yeah, if they opponents and we won't stop till we all touch a million, don't ever forget, but we probably forgive them on living, taking the cause that was given, my blessings is already written, wrapped little ribbon, putting ourselves in position.
She's out. Yo, that kind of looks like a stealth bomber. Enemy UAV. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a 16mm bolt up top and then an E14 down here. That is on there like swimwear. Wow. Whew. All right, got them both off. Cannot wait till we drive it and be like, wow, pop, 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 pop. Put it up over here. So you want to move it like 2 inches or so to the front of the car, kind of like that. Just kind of hangs down like that. But now you can really, oh yeah, that's way better now. I'm literally touching the V-band clamp. But first, we're gonna go ahead and take off the O2 sensors. That's not gonna be fun at all. We gotta take out this little bracket, or like, it's more of a heat shield, I believe. It is 3 T25s. You know what you're doing? You're vlogging the shop.
Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the
Let's
girls
go,
go
baby.
viral.
One down, one more to go. There we go. And number 2, done. I was actually so worried those were seats down there. So before you do downpipes, get under the car like the week before, because I've been PB blasting these bolts since we did the water pump and all that. So thank God I did that. All right, so the O2 sensors is this plug right here and the one on top of that. We're gonna number 1 and then 1 and then 2 and then 2. Just so when we put back the O2 sensors on the new downpipes, we know exactly where they're plugging into. Yeah, I heard you've been talking mad crap though. Look at the circumstances of these bolts. They're hanging on for dear life. They're not even bolts anymore. These things are mummies. So I am praying to God, Jesus himself. Please don't let this be absolutely just done. Here we go, number 1. What the heck? They're so rusted, they're not even 12 millimeters anymore. I probably gotta put an 11 millimeter in there. Battle of Beamersburg has begun. Let's go. Oh. He just snapped off. What the heck? What? He just snapped off. I'm legit just snapping them off at this point. Wow. We literally broke off all 4 bolts. Like when I was telling you, look how rusted this is, I was not kidding. That is insane. You can actually get a drill and put it through here and bam, get this one. Definitely gonna need a pry bar. This thing has not been opened in over 15 years. Wow. I'm the first person to do this in 15 years. Isn't that crazy to think about? Never been opened. There we go. All right, it's basically hammered the exhaust out. Oh wait, there's a bracket right here. Ah, I forgot. Hallelujah. Okay, so I didn't realize the Cat had 2 O2 sensors. I'm guessing the ones that we took off the downpipe are the primaries, and these down here are the secondaries. Damn. As you can see, I had to make this whole extension, move the O2 sensor out of the way, which is this right here. Use the breaker bar, and now I'm gonna use the gun to fully take it off. But this thing right here, that little boy was a pain. I almost stripped it. I was trying to use a 12 millimeter. With these bolts, honestly, I wouldn't use wrenches because I don't trust it. I would use socket. Big moment right here, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Whose idea was it to put a damn bracket in a spot where you can't even take it off? Get this, you can't move the downpipe up because it's obviously against the turbo. And then there's a bracket here that doesn't allow you to move it back. What do I do here? This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. I thought you were smart, BMW. Hands down has to be the hardest downpipes I've ever had to take off. It does not want to get off. Finally. Woo. Woo. Shot though. Come on out. Let's go. Nice. Oh god. Clamp is good. Dun, dun.
Cristiano Ronaldo, suey.
Oh, it's gonna get crazy. Watch this, watch this. Bruh, I thought dogs hated cats. So this is a good kind of comparison to both. This one's probably like 2.25 inches. I don't even think it's 2.5 inch. You can see it's got a catalytic converter right here. This one also has an imaginary catalytic converter, trust me. So we got the primary O2 sensor, secondary O2 sensor. Another thing about this is it actually does not have the little bracket, so we don't gotta put back the bracket. Thank God. Now the last one, the most difficult one, is the top downpipe. So
Like, imagine having one of these things inside your car. Yeah, you're weird, buddy.
it's hilarious how small the turbos are on this car. But all right, we gotta get, actually, I think I can fit a ratchet up there. I was able to fully fit a wrench up here. Okay, when's the last time you guys heard me say these words? That was way easier than I thought. Never, right? These downpipes, they're kind of easy. Let's go! Look at that. They said Danny gave up. You're Danny Z, not Danny BMW. You can't do it, bro. Well, guess what? Oh, I did it.
But here's a good look as to what the OEM catted downpipe looks like, and then the aftermarket. I mean, the difference, it's kind of incredible.
Yo, literally at my college parking lot, people were stealing cats from cars. Y'all are weird. Oh, also another thing, I just remembered. So, I believe Monday, I don't know when you're watching this video, but Monday, I think that makes it almost fair. I think February 1st? I don't know. We're building a whole roof. So happy. Costing a pretty penny though, but we need it. It's gonna be really nice, a whole roof. It's gonna be awesome. I've always wanted a roof over here. I live in Florida, it's always super hot. I'm hella white, I get super red, sunburned. I'm not trying to get cancer. And I believe I'm gonna do a series, or one episode series on redoing the dream garage. I think it's gonna be awesome. With that being said though, it's getting late. I cannot wait to hear this car. Let's go.
Scope might go with the mind scope. So many things I never learned with my eyes closed. Too busy with the schemes on the telling of my dreams on the rail. I grind like my life's on the line, hella wide. So fuck this.
Oh, you know what happened to me? So I'm doing downpipes, right? I snapped the wastegate rod.
Oh,
yeah.
It's good. On those cars, that's good to do.
Yeah, so now I just kind of need new turbos and stuff.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. Dude, the downpipes were hella easy.
This hands down has to be the hardest downpipes I've ever had to take off.
That car?
Yeah.
Everybody says they're a pain in the ass.
Bro, done easy.
Really?
I'm just that good, bro. You know, I'm just next level.
Alright, got late last night. I had to check up on the VR335i. It's getting some stuff done to it, mainly to the wrap. But go ahead and finish it. We got one last downpipe to put in. Actually, let me check if the turbo seal or gasket is almost here. Tracking Friday. I cannot wait until Friday. Y'all can see we got the first one in, looking good, looking mint. I haven't tightened it up right here. And also you gotta make sure it's not touching the metal for the subframe of the car, because the rattling will be horrible. I always like putting the clamp on the turbo side better, just so I just have to slide in the exhaust.
That is real. They don't really want it with the kid. I do this shit to feed my future kids. And I got these lame cross cause I'm starving. They gotta see my highlight. Real. Mi corazón is on my sleeve shoulder. Everything in the rose gold and might go for me.
In the arms of an angel. Well, I pretty much gave up, and Akita's over there trying to catch a lizard right now. This team is so dysfunctional. Alright, let me show y'all though. I got the clamp on, but the bolt is like almost impossible to get on. It doesn't want to line up with the threads. And then I am noticing that these gaps are very big. I mean, that's a whole finger right there. So I don't know how that's gonna work. But it's whatever. You know what that clap means? We officially finished. Cats are off the car. And the new ones are officially on the car. I'm not gonna lie, y'all might call me Le Cap. I've never heard a 335i with just downpipes and everything completely stock. So I'm so excited, let's go. I don't know why I'm so nervous though. By the way, never start your car like this. I literally almost just lowered my car without putting the wheel on. Y'all ready? It's been a long journey, so we can finally get to this point. The first ever modification of the car. Here's the first ever cold start on the 335 with some downpipes. Let's go. Are you excited?
Look how much smoke is coming out of the downpipes.
First drive, baby! Oh, I'm hyped, let's go. It's nice and cool, nice turf ski weather. Make sure I didn't just run over 20 volts. I think I have a slight exhaust leak. I don't know if I do have an exhaust leak. Oh. Success! It's so torquey and responsive, it's insane. Like, that's actually crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry about my hair. This car's fast now. I'm not even kidding. Like, this car feels so much faster. I'm honestly wondering what it sounds like from the outside though. Okay, I've never done this in this car. All right, here we go. Why is it not doing it? This is so pathetic. I'm just gonna leave. That was bad. Every time I was gonna spin, it like stopped, and the traction control is off. DTC's off. I'm just gonna leave with my head down. I love you.